Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your language on Lobstr wallet. So for that you just need to log in your account and open the application, and changing your language in Lobstr wallet is a very simple process. For that you just need to click on these three horizontal lines here, and after that you just need to click on settings option here, and now you can click on the profile. Now you can see that option language here, so you can click here and now you can choose your specific language that you want to choose. So I'm okay with English, so that's how you can change language in your Lobstr wallet. So this is a very simple process and that's how you can do it. And if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.